Well, hello, me and Ricky, we're off to explore some military vehicles, some old MOD property. Lincoln way.
Lincoln
Logs.
Oh, it's quite far as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a bit of a drive, but hopefully it'll be worth it. So, see you when we get there.
It's a Sunday, we've got fuck all to do.
Sunday, yeah. Some of us ain't got what to do for certain reasons. I don't fuck about, mate.
I'm not going to shoot you.
You see size of his hands?
Yeah.
And they punch fuck out the pair of us. They're not fucking gentle fucking giants, are they? Like, get off my fucking land.
His dad will come out now, watch.
Point camera at me. So yeah, we've just pulled up at this abandoned military site, which is actually owned by a farmer who buys old military construction vehicles, puts them on this runway here, as you can see there, look. He's just told us that they've had nothing but trouble with explorers coming on here, but he's just given us permission to have a drive around and have a look at the vehicles.
He wasn't happy, was he, Dan?
He did not look happy, no.
He was quite
What was his name? James?
James, yeah. He was quite angry when he saw us pull up, and he came straight out, and at least he was honest with us, wasn't he?
Yeah, he was a nice chap.
He said we can't go on here, but he has given us permission.
Size of bales are notice the bales of hay nowadays are bigger than they used to be.
Over there, look.
They're all like diggers and stuff, aren't they?
Just hope his dad don't come out with a shotgun.
Well, there's a combine harvester there, so he might. He said he'd probably stop us. And
something up there, look, as well. Is this an old runway then?
it's an old runway, yeah.
I can't see any military vehicles.
No, he said they're old military construction vehicles.
Yeah.
So they'll be like from what do you call it? Thingy corps, engineering corps. He probably sent us down here because he knows it'll fuck my car up.
Yeah.
Look, there's loads of them there.
Knows you. Can't see your screen. Your screen's off, isn't it? Yeah, it just does that.
You just tap it.
Oh, look, there's an old vehicle. Quite a bit of metal here, isn't there?
Yeah. There's a lot of old diggers and stuff there, isn't there?
Yeah. So we've got 10 minutes, haven't we?
Yeah. Car running.
Car running.
So yeah, this place is covered in old vehicles. The guys give us 10 minutes to have a look round. Just look at the size of this. Engine in that. It's a big one, that, isn't it?
A bit.
Not much left of it. See how big it is. Yeah, there's a bloke over there I can see. I think. It's massive, isn't it? It could walk, it took us ages to walk around here. Now, I'm not walking our way down, I'm just going to keep looking. There's some old diggers here, isn't there? That one, it's on its side. Fucking hell. You ever wondered where diggers go to die? This is the place. Look at the size of that one. Jesus Christ. Wouldn't mess with that, would you?
Do that, I'd definitely run. Smell its nose.
They remind me like the old ones from like 40s, you know.
Yeah, some of these are really old, aren't they? Like that. That's quite old. You say they buy these?
They buy them and sell and break them down, scrap and sell them, but I'm surprised they just don't weigh them in. Because they're just rotting away, aren't they, really? They're not like... It's not like they're ever gonna use them, is it? Can't see people ringing up and saying I need a pump valve for one of these.
Yeah.
Because there's not much left of them, is there, really? Not brand new then, over there.
Sounds like that thing's getting closer.
It's not combine harvester, the loud. It's just noise travels with good up there anyway. So I said it's a pity that we'll come down when they're doing it, because we could have just walked around here, couldn't we? I'd like to have a play on some of them. Yeah, there's not much left of most of them. Like, maybe that's what they do, they part them out, you know. My car looks like it's on a photo shoot.
Yeah, music video.
Yeah. Yeah, so the chaps give us 10 minutes to walk around here and have a look. It is private property. He told us there was some, we come down here the other day and there were some trespassers swinging about on the jibs over there like monkeys. Come on, we'll drive up to the other bit and have a quick drive around. That one's an absolute beast. It's like something's like your worst nightmare, isn't it? Look at the size of that.
So they've only got 2 military vehicles.
I don't know.
One of them there, isn't it?
I'm not sure what he said. I think he said they're all ex-MOD tractors and stuff. That says Epsom skip hire on it, so they're obviously not MOD.
Yeah.
I think he said they had some MOD vehicles, but they chopped them up because people were trespassing. Ooh. But yeah, we're going to have a drive round and Ricky's going to film. Whoop! Don't make it too obvious to plug in thing there that you're filming, just bang it like that.
Okay, sir. Yeah, I don't fancy walking home from here, Dan. It's a glass here, mate. Glass everywhere. Where's that combine house? Is it sitting over there? Fair play to him, he could have just told us to do one. Yeah. He was got out first, wasn't he?
Yeah, I think that's why I got out, because I thought if I get out,
that's it. What'd you tell them? We're
square up to him.
Yeah.
Bigger than him.
What'd you tell them? That you weren't trespassing? Once you saw it was no trespassing?
Well, the problem is a lot of these urban explorers are fucking dope-head scroats. Are you filming me or that?
You?
Me.
Why?
We'll just film that side, and then when you come back, we can film
Don't want to break. Don't want to break the camera.
Yeah, most of them are dope-head scroats. They're just like.
Oh, is that me?
They're just.
That bad boy.
That is an old school crane.
I hope you don't drop on you.
They're just, yeah, they're just dope-head scroats. They're just like out for a day of pillaging and getting footage of
proper graveyard, isn't it?
This is an absolute graveyard for vehicles. Look at that beast.
That is huge. Oh, he's there, he's right now.
Alright, you filming? Yeah, that's a military one, look.
Yeah, look at that.
We'll run him and told him anyway. He's too busy doing that, he can't get out of it once it's started.
He's having a good look.
He can't get out of it once he gets into his road. Yeah, that's like what, that one there, that's like what he was on the rubbish side.
What's the paddles for?
To move through piles of rubbish.
It'd be better if they were all military, no?
Yeah, see these are
Yeah, that definitely is, yeah. There's a few military trucks. Look at that.
Earth movers, I love them.
Size of that. Yeah, you can tell, can't you?
It's green.
Yeah. You just tell by the front.
See why so many people wanted to come here and look round. It is awesome. Look at that. Have you seen anything with 2 wheels on?
Yeah, four wheels just at the front. That's nice.
You know how they work?
No, what do they do?
The scoop, the middle bit there, drops down, forms a scoop, and then they drag it along the floor and it fills it up with soil. And then they shut it and it lifts up, and then they need to drive it away.
They've got a lot of money worth of scrapping, haven't they? Not even
metal, like money's worth of metal, yeah.
That don't even look that old, that one, does it? Just something different, isn't it?
Yeah. Get a camera cam then. The only thing with this is that you're not going to be able to see much of it. It's in super view, so you'll be quite far away view of
It's just glass.
back there. I wonder if any of them actually run.
I'd be surprised if they do, mate.
It's like a dinosaur. Like a fucking dinosaur, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it.
I wonder how much them tyres cost.
There's a kids' TV show like that, and they're like dinosaurs, but they've big vehicles.
Is it your favourite TV show?
No, I don't even know what it's called, mate.
Look off, you watch it every morning. Get up early on Saturday to watch it, don't you?
I wish my kids would watch it, I'll tell you. I don't shitty YouTube all the time. Not the YouTube shit.
People playing computer games.
Yeah. Playing myself or watch other people playing them.
Yeah, when they're not playing computer games, kids nowadays, they're watching people playing them.
Yep. It's a class here, mate. What's the class? Runway. You know what I mean?
I find most fields, and then when they stopped using it completely because they were knackered, they dug the fact I've seen them digging it all up, they dug all the tarmac up and just turned it back into fields. I can't remember which way we came in now.
Yeah, straight on up to the ale.
Yeah, so big thanks to the farmer James for letting us have a quick tour of the site. He probably thought that we're only going to come back again when they're not there, which we probably would have done.
No, we were nice and polite to him. He was angry at first, wasn't he?
He jumped out, he's like, "You fucking urban explorers." He had hands like fucking shovels.
but tiny feet.
Yeah, tiny feet. When we explained where we come from and sympathised with him that, yeah, some of these urban explorers just take the piss. Because he's had a lot of trouble from them.
Yeah.
He come round, didn't he? And said,
yeah.
Give you 10 minutes to have a quick look round. We'll drive round. So we didn't really get to get out of the car and have a look. But
I think the thing is, a lot of people do trespass. It clearly says no trespassing. Yeah. We wouldn't have got in because it said that. And it's just that it's like an unwritten rule.
It's not like you can exactly fence it off, is it really?
Exactly.
That over there, look, I don't know if you'll see it on the camera. That is a missile silos.
Yes.
He says that is it's just rubble now.
Yeah.
ICBMs, ultimate ballistic missile silos.
Never been in one.
Well, intercontinental ballistic missiles like size of 2 wagons, end to end, Arctic lorries.
Yeah.
That's how long they are.
Want me to switch this off?
So yeah, do an outro. So yeah, unfortunately we couldn't walk round really. The guy whose property it was there, but at least we got a quick tour to do a quick tour of it. And as you can see, there's hardly any military vehicles there, unlike what it's claimed to be. It's mostly just old JCBs, dumper trucks, diggers, earth movers. But yeah, we're going to move on to explore another site. Say goodbye, Ricky.
Goodbye, Ricky. See ya.